Hi, this is Aditi. I am a fashion designer, fashion design educator and an artist. I am here at Pune Design School of Pimpri Chinchwad University. I am here for a 2-day workshop on tie and dye. We are working on different ties and dyes technique. Basically, we are working on organic versus synthetic dyes. And on the second day of the workshop, we'll be doing an auction where students are preparing on different products. They'll be making products, assigning a USP for that product, and to my surprise, students here are working really hard on their products, and I can already see them working very creatively. Their design ideas are very strong. I honestly did not expect that the level of hard work and the outcome. They've been showing me beautiful tie and dye patterns they have generated. The product ideas, for example, they're working on very simple basic products, but the ideation about it, that how useful these products would be as per sustainability, and the design ideas are really strong. I feel it is just not the students here, the faculty and the management who are providing them this opportunity and a platform. They've been provided with, like, honestly, I asked for all the materials like rajma, different types of threads, colors, synthetic colors, organic colors, maybe beetroot, turmeric, everything was provided to me here, and students are taking use of these facilities, and they are creating wonders. But without such good management and such good support of the team and the faculty members here, this would not have been possible. So I would tell all you guys watching this video, you will get to work on different unique projects here. You have like an open mind to work free here, and one thing which I love the most is the environment. It is all surrounded by the hills, nature, and I think when you are surrounded by nature, you work your design idea and your mind processes at some different level. So the environment is very good, it is very positive. The people around here, be it faculty members, be it the students, they all are very sweet, they're very positive. Once you come here, I think you will get to know by yourself that I am not kidding. Yeah, so I had lovely time here, and this is my first time in Pune, and only because of Pimpri Chinchwad University, I think I am leaving with a very good impression, very positive impression, and yeah, I am just a call away, and I just hope they keep calling me here because I love to be a part of PCU University.